Spiced butter. A side dish from Eritrea. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. In a large saucepan, melt the butter slowly over medium heat, do not let it brown. Then bring butter to a boil. Stir in the onion, garlic, ginger, turmeric, cardamom, cinnamon, clove, 2, and nutmeg. Slowly pour the clear
Reduce the
liquid
heat
into
and
a
simmer
bowl,
uncovered
straining
and
through
undisturbed
cheese for
cloth.
45 minutes.
It is important that
Milk
no
solids on the bottom of the pan should be
butter.
golden brown, and the butter on top will be transparent. Step 3. Transfer the spiced butter into a jar. Cover tightly, and store in the refrigerator. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.